open your arms. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you. And I'll always be around.
Hello, family. Welcome to another adventure with Peggy
and the Don.
All right, so today is work day. So you see the scarf, that means it's going to be some sweating today. I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you, but I'm going to show you my refrigerator. Now, disclaimer, the people that live in this house with us, they will save a bite of sandwich, wrap it in a big thing of aluminum foil, and put it in the refrigerator. So, with that being said, we have a lot of takeout, a lot of bites of sandwiches, and a lot of unnecessary items in this refrigerator. Now, I have not cleaned this refrigerator out in about 3-4 weeks because I've been doing so many other things. Anyway, I've fallen by the wayside, so now I'm going to get things back in order. My OCD will not allow me to go another day with this refrigerator like this. So I'm going to show you this mess. Get in there. Look at that.
I'm stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in a position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby.
All right, family, so as you can see, I have somewhat cleaned up the refrigerator. It is really hard when you have 5 of the same items open. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got 3 different ketchups open, 3 different mustards open, you got mayonnaise open. You guys know what I mean if you have children or teenagers in your home. People see that you have a pantry downstairs, and so instead of looking for something, if they don't see it, they just go downstairs and open it. I hope you guys are not experiencing this, but I am. And so they'll go downstairs and open something else and then say, oh, I didn't know that. Well, if you didn't stuff the refrigerator full of stuff that you're not going to ever come back and eat, now we can see what's actually in here. So I got my fruits and vegetables at the bottom. I got my meats, well, my lunch meats and cheeses, and then I got my waters and everything else. So now you can see what's in this refrigerator. So it makes me a little more happy. All right, and then we come over here to the freezer. Okay, so this looks a lot better. At first, you could not see what was in there, so now we can see. We have straightened up the pantry as well. So right here, Donald's going to show you a really good look into the pantry, how we've straightened it up. So we're going to show you a before and an after.
When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want, everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need.
So you'll see here, these are the containers that I got that I'm going to do my meal plan with starting tomorrow. So what my goal is, or what my plan is we're going to eat only from the refrigerator in the pantry this week. So whatever meals I can come up with, that's what we're going to eat. And once this is all gone, it might take us a week and a half, 2 weeks to clean this out and the pantry out. Then we'll start going downstairs every week and shopping from what we've stocked, okay? All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your continued support. And remember to get out there and do something good for yourself and others as well.